うわ、一番最初の見逃した。
On our way to the Waldorf, we grab Nama Donuts for our favorite concierge. Hi, it's Costco Samurai here. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. We've just arrived at the magnificent Waldorf Astoria Osaka. Always captivated by its grand entrance and that unmistakable signature Waldorf fragrance that defines elegance. Mama, どうですか?
すごいよ、綺麗だよ。
This is our favorite. Well, you have the first toilet, lavatory. Fantastic with the Aesop amenities and towels. Our concierge is fantastic. And we have this big hallway, nice wooden floors. We have this little area which I usually use for doing a little work. And then we have this wonderful living room and the great amenities. And look, Mama, they gave us the New York cheese velvet cake. Fantastic.
Velvet cake.
And then look at this view. We have a great view of Osaka. And tonight is going to be a very special day, not to mention it's our anniversary, but also fireworks. I guess because they're having fireworks because of the World Expo has finished. And then this is one of my favorite iconic buildings here, the Umeda Sky Building, right over here. It's going to be nice. And again, since I've been trying to lose weight, I'm going to try their gym. Me and my wife are trying to be healthy at our age, right, Mom? And here we have a nice TV. Let's check out the, we have the amenities. We have the espresso, we have the water, and have the drawer of amenities. Of course, you have to pay for these. And look at the bathroom, or look at the bedroom. This is amazing. We made a sky building. And here you can see the red Ferris wheel that's popular in Osaka, in Umeda. Amazing. Here you got the river view. Let's check out the bathroom. Oh, and this king-size bed is just so comfortable. They delivered our luggage. And we just put this in the luggage room. Let's check out the luggage room. Nice spacious deck to put all your luggage in. こっちが欲しいかな。
重いよ。
We have our safe here. We have your safe, plenty of drawers to put your clothes, pajamas. Plenty of hangers. Oh, we have to ask why they have this handle here. What is this for? Maybe this for umbrella? You put umbrella? I don't know. But you have your umbrella here. You have closet space or storage for more suitcases. Here you have the shower room. Oh, look at the shower. Nice glass shower room, we have ESOP amenities. We have a nice shower handle here and a nice rain shower on the top. Fantastic. Then we have a nice bathtub. And of course here we have double sinks and again the amenities. I think we have, we have nice, what is this, hydrangeas. These are really fresh. 生だ。And let's take a look at the amenity kit. You know, you have your toothbrush, your comb. I love these razors. Because they have like the bamboo handle, then the toothpaste. So just fantastic. One of our favorite restaurants or hotels. Then we'll have breakfast because we're Diamond members. And then we have our second toilet here. And it's go ahead and walk in and it's probably going to open up, right? There you go. The automatic. And of course, what's always very nice is the diamond tip toilet paper.
関係あるかな？
関係あるじゃん。
関係あるかな？
All attention to detail.
That's it?
Yeah. Here, these are some of the amenities. We have breakfast. We have a choice of having breakfast at the Jolie Brasserie or the Peacock Alley. So looking forward to that. Since we ate twice at the Jolie Brasserie, I think this time we're gonna try the Peacock Alley. And here we get, of course, complimentary breakfast for two, the room upgrade, which is just fantastic. Our concierge is really the best. We have our bonus points, check-in. We checked in a little bit early. Our digital key, we have a credit, so they'll give us a 4,000 yen per night credit at the Jolie Brasserie, the Skimi, the Peacock Alley, or Canes and Tails. And, or I think the breakfast is at Canes and Tails. Jolie Brasserie or Canes and Tails. Anyway, I'll check that out later. And then we get 25% discount when dining at the hotel restaurants as well. So that's really great. We get 25% discount plus we get the 4,000 per night hotel credit. So this is fantastic. Great value. And of course the breakfast is always so good. Mama, どこいるの?
Waldorf Astoria.
Mama, どこいるの?
Waldorf Astoria.
Hello.
Hello.
We're staying at the Waldorf Astoria here in Osaka for the third time, and we got the best suite here. This is the living room area, and we have fireworks tonight. And this is the sleeping quarters and the bathroom. So this is the Umeda Sky Building, and look, they're already getting ready for Christmas. Down there, you can see the tree there. They got the crane that's propping up the tree. And then it's perfectly centered. You can't see it here, but there's like a ring of lights at the top. So everything's illuminated. Well, we're looking forward to the Osaka fireworks that are going to be somewhere around here, so we can Our concierge said that we have a lucky room, and thanks to her, and we're going to have a great night for our anniversary. This is going to be fantastic. Look at that view. But first we got to hit the gym. So I got my gym clothes ready, and we're ready to go out to hit the fitness center. So we have a beautiful new gym here, elegant and spacious. You can see my wife and me enjoying a light workout on the treadmills, all while that amazing Waldorf fragrance permeates the space, making everything feel truly luxurious. Well, this water is great. You have the apple and orange, and you have some fruit, and this granola is fantastic at the gym. Get a boost of energy. And you have some mineral water. Testing out the brand new rubber dumbbells today. They go up to 26 kilograms and feel perfectly balanced. The grip is just perfect in the hands, making every lift smooth and controlled. I'm doing 2 sets of incline bench press at 24 kilograms, and they're truly a joy to use. And after using the dumbbells or any of the machines, make sure to wipe them down with the wet wipes provided. It's a simple gesture, but it's important for hygiene and just good gym etiquette, keeping the space clean and pleasant for everyone. Coffee at the library. So this is the Waldorf Astoria Library, a tucked away serene retreat. Tonight this is going to be an elegant space to host the special event to view the Naniwa Fireworks. But we've decided to view the fireworks directly from our own suite. And this is a wonderful place to take a moment, have some coffee, surrounded by the warm wood tones, soft lighting, and careful, curated collection of books and bonsai. Ara, もしかしたら向こうは花火かな。
ライトついてるとこ？
側でなんかあるでしょ。
このライト点々ってなってるとこ？
いや、
その前？
側の真ん中、お水の真ん中、
うん、
なんかステージみたいなのある。多分ライトみんな座るかな。もしかしたら。Tonight we're taking our food back to our suite to watch the fireworks, so we pass through the lobby full of guests with a stunning wooden ceiling, soft lighting, and a water stone feature. Does anyone know any hidden stories behind this design? Comment below. So I love the grandeur of the hallway as we walk towards Peacock Alley. This famous lounge at the Waldorf Astoria Osaka spans the 28th and 29th floor with 8-meter high ceilings. Its elegant staircase, classic furnishings, and striking bronze clock gives it a timeless retro charm. Magnificent chandeliers and floor-to-ceiling windows overlooking Osaka make it look like a perfect spot to relax. Tomorrow, we're thinking of having breakfast here instead of the Jolie Brasserie. It seems like the perfect way to start the day in style.
So my wife passes through the entrance where guests are greeted by a modern take on traditional Japanese pavilion. Bold artworks immediately catch my eye. A monumental ceramic sculpture by Jun Kaneko and a lively canvas painting by Manika Nagare. Their vibrant colors and dynamic form create a space that feels both energetic and serene. We pick up some Thai food to go at the neighboring Mango Tree. You really can't go wrong with their chicken rice and green curry, perfect for enjoying back in our suite while waiting for the fireworks. My wife also picked up a bespoke salad from Umi and Yama Kitchen, a new restaurant known for its fresh, high-quality ingredients and beautiful crafted dishes. Their salads are creative and flavorful, a perfect complement to our in-suite dinner. And if you're in Japan, you can always find great snacks called otsumame. Here, my wife is at the local family mart picking up chips and other tasty treats that go perfectly with our non-alcoholic beer. When you're shopping at the kombini, let me know in the comments below, what are your favorite items? Is it the famichiki or the pizza, potato chips? Let me know in the comments below. And my wife is looking for her favorite non-alcoholic beverage. We have plenty of beers and cocktails. So here she's looking for 0% since we don't drink. Anyway, here's Mimika. This is a very interesting snack. Pig ears. Very tasty. Highly recommended. Let me know in the comments below if you tried it. It goes well with a beer or non-alcoholic beer. Self-checkout is so convenient here in Japan. You can just pay everything through either a credit card or some type of digital payment. So what they did differently this time is that we have a 4,000 yen credit. And since we have the fireworks and we want to stay in our suite to view the fireworks, we decided to do the in-service dining and order something that we can use the 4,000 yen credit. Before there was a 2 drink tickets that you can use at the Peacock Alley or Canes and Tails, but this time they changed it to a 4,000 yen credit. So we get 4,000 yen credit. So we're going to do the indoor dining, and here we can see we have kani and crab and tomato spaghetti for 4,200 yen. Let's go for that. Go ahead, Mama. What I love about the automated curtains here, we can open up the curtains automatically. Very nice. Beautiful sunset. Probably in a couple hours we're going to have the fireworks. But look at that, the sunset is just amazing. And we have our chairs seated for the spectacular night of fireworks. Looks like they're getting ready for all the fireworks. You can't see it, but over there they have all the seating ready for people to view. And I think in the middle of the river, that's where all the fireworks are going to be shooting out of. We have the seats ready. We have some snacks, oyatsu from the kombini. We have some Thai food. We utilized our 4,000 yen credit. Mimi. I can't hear you. 聞こえないね、ママ。
ここジャーってするよ。
どうぞ。
からしだって。Here. あ。
We have the pizza potato, ume, which is the plum potato chips. We have beef jerky. We have smoked tan. These are just some of the snacks or oyatsu from the convenience store. Let me know what your favorite konbini item is in Japan. We're just having some fun here. Mimiga, pig's ears again. Although I can't hear. And then here we have from Umi and Yama. This is a salad, Mom. Very healthy salad. Wow, that is amazing. And then we have green curry and chicken rice from the neighboring Thai restaurant, Mango Tree, very popular Thai chain restaurant with the sauces. And of course, we have our wonderful anniversary New York cheese velvet cake. At early sunset. いいね。
サンセット綺麗だね。
いいね、綺麗だね。Happy anniversary, Mama.
Happy anniversary.
And again, fantastic shout out to our concierge who just did an amazing job making sure that we're taken care of and we have a great view and room for our anniversary. Thank you, Waldorf Astoria Osaka. Oh,
今何時？
もうそろそろ始めるかな、5時。あと1時間かな。そういう。
今日ね、伊丹でも花火なんだってよ。あれしたけど。
はい、ママ、どうぞ。
ありがとう。
We had about 4,000 yen credit, so we just got this, which is 4,200 yen. That looks great. The crab spaghetti with some rolls, fantastic.
Blue hour. Sunset just finished. I think the fireworks are going to be coming out from here. And they just finished with the turn down service. Put the pajamas on the bed, get the bed all ready, slippers, and chocolate right over here, and some water, very nice. And we're just waiting for the fireworks. We're just waiting for the fireworks to come. Maybe in about 20 minutes. Wow, Osaka just looks amazing.
The night has finally arrived, the Naniwa Fireworks Festival from our suite. Here at the Waldorf Astoria Osaka, we have a front row seat to one of the most spectacular displays in the city. The lights of Osaka shimmer below, and as the first fireworks bloom across the sky, we can feel the energy of the city rise. It's one of those rare moments when everything feels perfectly still, yet alive at the same time. The reflection of the fireworks dances across the windows, and the sound echoes softly through the night. My wife and I take a quiet moment to appreciate this 25 years together, celebrating in this beautiful hotel that already feels like a second home. The view from here is breathtaking. Each burst of color paints the night differently. Deep reds, golds, blues, and purple blendings together like a living canvas. You can almost feel the fireworks pulse with life, each one telling its own little story before fading gently into the darkness. You can hear my wife shout out in amazement as the fireworks burst across the sky. It makes me so happy to see her enjoying this moment. What a perfect way to celebrate our anniversary. The colors light up the sky, and for a few minutes, it feels like time just stops. Moments like this remind me how lucky we are. Beautiful fireworks, great food, and the person you love right beside you. Happy anniversary to us. I think that deserves a like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Okay, and we fast forward to the grand finale. Even though it started raining, the fireworks kept going strong. Nothing could stop the show. At tonight, we were treated to not just one, but two fireworks displays. Right in front of us, the Naniwa fireworks lit up the sky, and off in the distance, we can see the Itami fireworks closer to where we live. Double the fireworks, double the fun. What an unforgettable anniversary night. A big thanks to the Waldorf Astoria Osaka and our special concierge for making this evening so special and truly unforgettable.
Yeah, that was a spectacular fireworks, the Naniwa Fireworks, the Itami Fireworks, which was further down, closer to where we live. Amazing. And had a rainstorm, but it still was wonderful. Still was wonderful. Look at the skyline. Fantastic. You could see the rain. And this is the mood lighting in the bed. And the room. Just what a fantastic room. This is the turn down service. They left this fragrance that you can spray. That's a very, what is that? A type of mint type scent. Very calming. Nice. So it's almost 10 o'clock and just had a really great night. Now I think I am ready for bed. Look at that view. The lights really put you at a nice mood. Feeling very, very sleepy. I think I'm going to have a very nice rest here. And let me look at these shades automatically coming down. Getting ready for bed. And the curtains are closing. Good night, everybody. Costco Samurai out. Please like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Bye, bye. Oyasumi nasai.
So the next morning, the curtains and shades automatically open, gently filling the room with soft daylight. We're greeted by a calm, beautiful morning over Osaka. The city's still quiet after last night's fireworks. It's moments like this that makes waking up at the Waldorf Astoria Osaka feel truly special. Peaceful, refined, and full of gratitude for another beautiful day. So this morning we decided to have breakfast at the Peacock Alley. Since there was quite a line at the Jolie Brasserie, I actually really like the calm ambiance here. It's elegant and relaxing with a nice scenic view from our table. The breakfast is a hybrid style where you can choose a main dish and enjoy a small buffet of cold cuts, salads, bread, and fruit. Of course, Jolie Brasserie has a larger selection, but the service here at Peacock Alley is just as warm. You can even ask for certain items from the Jolie Brasserie, though it may take a little extra time since the hotel is quite full. Now I want to address something often mentioned online. Many people say the buffet selection at the Conrad Osaka is the best, and I can't deny that, especially with their executive lounge offerings. But for my wife and me, who enjoy both hotels, we like the Waldorf Astoria for its unique ambiance and refined atmosphere. The selection here is more than enough for us to enjoy a wonderful morning. And here I was able to enjoy my truffle omelet that they had at the Jolie Brasserie. I just asked the person if they can provide it here at the Peacock Alley, and they did, and it was perfect. So we have a bit of a late checkout at 1 p.m. So after finishing breakfast around 10 o'clock, I decided to head to the gym for one last workout, enjoy the fitness club. I didn't record this part, but I have to say, after a good workout, relaxing in the hot, dry sauna, wet sauna, and jacuzzi feels amazing. The showers are spacious, and you can also enjoy the pool. It's the perfect way to refresh the body before checking out, or even treat yourself to the spa if you have time. ありがとうございます。楽しかったね。25年記念日と花火ね、今日。ウォルドフアストリアありがとうございました。And a beautiful day at the park just as we're leaving Waldorf Astoria Osaka. Thank you for an amazing stay. Perfect weather again. Perfect Sunday to enjoy with the family. And lastly, I just wanted to share a really sweet message that we got from our concierge. And we just want to say thank you to our special concierge for making this all possible. We really appreciate you and all the hard work and the hard work of your staff. Thank you so much, and we will see you all again. Have a great day, everybody. Costco Samurai out. If you haven't, please like, subscribe, and share this with your friends and family.